Thank you, Andrew. Hi, welcome to State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host, Martin, and this is episode 399.5, Weekend Technical Analysis for Crypto. It was meant to be episode 400 tonight, but I'm feeling extremely bad. I have a very, very bad headache. Had it all day today. Took a couple naps. It's not going away. I haven't used any cell phone or anything, like dim the lights. I'm not sure if it's a migraine or something, but I already take something and it's not working out, so took some naps throughout the day to see if that would help me up a bit, but it's really not helping out a lot. So it's due to that today's stream is gonna be super short. I'm probably gonna go over the first three cryptos. I'm not gonna do Litecoin. I'm not gonna do Binance. If you have any requests, I'm only gonna take one from each of you, if that's okay. If not, that's all I'm gonna be able to do today, man. I have really, my head just feels like it's gonna explode. I just wanted to jump in real quick, talk about the market. And see where we're at, right? Anyways, if you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us, links in the description. Says a link to our Twitter. That's it. Let's jump on to technicals. Market cap. We had a very good day yesterday. We got a lot of pullback happening, right? ADA and Ethereum. Alright, we'll do ADA. Ethereum always covers, so. Right. Good. Andrew, if you have any coin, let me know, and I'll definitely look at that. Anyways, what's going on? So, market cap. Got a very nice day yesterday. We came back up to this level, which is good. It just shows recovery. And that people, maybe we had a dump happening, and people bullish enough to get it back up above 1618 at $437.18 billion today. Money moved into the crypto sphere 3.49%, approximately $16.72 billion. Right now, so market opening already for crypto, so today or tomorrow for us, 0.18% to downside, approximately $793.35 million. Now, where can we be looking for? Maybe a retest of that 1618. We should or could be trying to consolidate within this area, right? Maybe we could drop back below this area again. I'm trying to see what we're gonna do here. But that'll be about it for market cap. It's sitting bought at I just went to bought 69.92. Those are bought a second ago. Let's go check out Bitcoin dominance at 65.07. Bitcoin managed to recover a little bit of that dominance yesterday. 0.43% today, gaining 0.01 again at 65.07% of market cap. The price of Bitcoin, where is it at? Well, if you remember, we were kind of talking about this potential triangle forming. I didn't pinpoint it because this line, I wasn't really calling it that. I was hoping this line would serve as support, which it did, right? We kind of held on support there. We did briefly break below it, but we managed to close right below it, and then today we reversed, hitting this top part of this line. Again, it could become a resistance. Right now we're opening outside of it just because we opened sideways. We did try to pump, and then we are pushing back down. There's a chance we could come down here for a retest of that 14,990. But if we decide to move here, we're going to have support of that 75% line of the resistance channel. And again, support at 14,990. We don't have a lot going on. High, low, positive was positive. High on the other side to lower point. Overbought at 73.17. There's the only thing I don't like. Bitcoin has not really come back to the bot area. It just came here briefly to the bot area. But has not come back to neutral. And it being overbought, it makes it harder for it to really get that strength to pump back higher. It would be much healthier if it pulled back down, got to these levels, and then rallied again, right? But we'll see. It looks like every time that Bitcoin gets overbought, it then does tend to come here. Sometimes it does go all the way to oversold, but at least to neutral, right? And then sold, and then pump back up. So let's see if we can manage to do something here, right? We don't have anything bearish against the RSI, just against the MACD. That's the last thing we have. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour, right, we were starting to get this rally, getting to this level. We faced resistance here at 14,990 yesterday by the time we were live. And we closed that candle. We actually closed at 14,989. We have it at 14,990, so we're just $1 away from our target. That's fine. We did manage to get above that 75% line. Again, then we started to squeeze between that area. Look, we had a couple candles, 1, 2, and then the third one managed to hold support there as well and bumped up. Then we managed to get above that 20, which is very, very good. Then we have something else developing. High to low, positive was positive, high on the other side to lower points. Just sitting bought at 61.31, so we don't have anything bullish. This was a hidden bullish. And we don't have anything bearish. The last thing we have is a strong bearish divergence. It's tiny though. But this failing to go over this high, like so it could be interpreted as bearish, and we could try to move down again. Let's wait and see how it's going to play out for Bitcoin. So we haven't even actually made it to my alert here at 15,700, but I'm glad I did get back in. So back in at 14,500. So that's good. Taking a nice rally to the upside, right? Let's go to the 1 hour chart here. What's happening on the 1 hour? Last thing we had was the hidden bullish. Since then, we just rallied, right? Last night, we were probably somewhere around here, maybe, flirting with this area. Right, yeah, we're like here, trying to get above this area. Moved slightly below, again, managed to find that nice support and took that nice bounce. Now, are we doing something here? I'm really going to have to take a measure. 65.77 and 69. So it's technically coming in higher here. Just going to anchor this to the 1 hour. So we do have something bearish, and part of the reason that we could be moving down here on Bitcoin. And we're definitely coming in lower, right? So creating that hidden bearish, right? We don't have it against RSI, that's fine. Against RSI, we're okay. Just neutral at 56.76. That moving down could potentially get us to hit test that 20 for support. It'll be great if we find support at the 20 and we manage to pump from there. But looking at the major scales, there's a chance we could move down again to 14,990 and try to take another run at higher prices and hopefully reset a little bit more of that RSI on the daily. That'll be about it for Bitcoin though. Let's move on to Ethereum. Sorry, Bitcoin on the weekly because we closed the weekly candle. So last week Bitcoin, right? I know there's a lot of stuff here on the weekly. I'll look at this chart. I think it's cleaner. So, for else information, we're looking for some bearish divergence to here, right? We have still in the week, and we started to move up. So we moved this up, we moved this up, then we move this up. So we don't have anything against the MACD and against RSI. I'm not sure. I'm actually going to have to measure 79.25, and here we are at 77. So it's still slightly less. This one I can leave there. Some strong bearish divergence against RSI in the weekly for Bitcoin. But it really didn't care about the other one that was developing. So this one we can remove. That's fine. I think, dude, was that from the daily or? Actually need to confirm. Yeah, it is from the weekly. So hope I didn't delete something from the daily though. No, I didn't. That's great. So we'll delete this one. Delete this one. Strike that to there. That's awesome. See, there's that bearishness here on Bitcoin on the daily, on the weekly. Then on the daily, you know, look, we came back down here. I don't think yesterday we had. Oh yeah, we had gotten this touch point already. So you know, we're still bouncing right on that exponential rally that we're making here. That's fine though. Again, Bitcoin, right? Hit bullish. Let's see if we're gonna hold on here. Again, failing to get above this level. Interpret it as bearish. Maybe moving down. Like a failed rally, right? That's it. Let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum on the daily. Bearish divergence, pulled back down. Yesterday managed to regain almost everything it lost. It lost 4.57, we gained 4.45. It lost $20.84. We gained 19.37, dude. We just were $1 away. Today again, just following Bitcoin, pulling back down again. Probably finding an area of support here, or we just start consolidating within this area. Moving down could potentially get us to $418 mark, and moving up to that 500 change we have here. First, we might stop at $475. Right, we have some resistance here. So that'll be about it for Ethereum on the daily. Right at $453.41. Sitting bought at 66.09. So not a lot happening with it. All right, let's go to the 4 hour. Had a low, had a low, had a low. Nothing on the 4 hour. Last thing we had is a hidden bullish again at support. Take that nice bounce. That's it. Bought at 63.19. So not a lot happening on the 4 hour Ethereum. 1 hour Ethereum, right? Look, we had the hidden bullish, taking that rally. Found to go higher than the previous high. And not just that. Look at this. High, lower high. Positive, more positive. Hidden bearish. Potential moving down, we move down. We already hit the 21s. We try to bounce. That bounce failed to go higher than the previous high, so that could bring continuation. Probably while we're moving down again for a retest of the 20. Haven't hit the 20 on that retest. Let's see how this is going to play out. If we test the 20 and we've managed to bounce, could try to undo this hidden bearish. But we could find that we drop below that 20. And if we do, we're looking for a movement down to happen here. Nothing on the short term. High, low, possible is positive, high on the other side to lower point. Neutral at 54.28. Let's go check out XRP. I'm not going to talk about this coin. I just want to see where it's at. It's at 2.9 cents. All right. All right. Where's XRP at? 25.27. 25.27 cents. A little bit earlier, I was hitting that 26, almost 25 and a half. I think it was where I was looking at earlier today. But look at XRP, right? Everyone dropped. Just look at this real quick, right? Look at Bitcoin, how it behaved, right? It took a drop and then it recovered, right? Almost all the way. So it dropped 763. It recovered 639, right? So from 4.89, it recovered 4.30. Well, right? So we're like 0.4%, 4.5% off, right? 0.5% off. That's what I'm going to call it for XRP. Look at Ethereum. It recovered almost all the way. 4.57, 4.45. So it's like 0.4745 is like 0.1, I would call it, right? 0.1 off target, right? But it did recover most of the way. And then look at XRP, right? It did drop 3.74. It just recovered 1.84. It's way off, dude. It's not recovering as well as the rest of crypto. Again, underperforming, right? XRP. That's a topic of this coin. I'm getting tired of it so far because it's just underperforming all the time. Look, it moved down and hit the 20, trying to find support, trying to go for a bounce, failed to go higher. Had recovered nicely. It just pulled back down, and right now pulling back down even more. It looks like we might want to retest 24.69. Again, we had the bearish divergence here. Coming in higher. What were we at here? 106, 120. We're definitely. By the time we closed, we didn't have it. This is 112. So I want to get rid of this because we had the bearish divergence. We no longer have it right now, but we did break down on that. You know, at some point in time, we're going higher. So we had it. Let me redo this so we can talk about we had it to here, right? And then yesterday we were like still developing it still a little bit. By the time we closed higher, so we did manage to lose it. We did move down on that bearish divergence as we had expected. Right now we don't have anything short term, right? Neutral at 54.34, and this bearish divergence that we had here again, even though if we call it to the highest point of this island, we wouldn't have it. This movement, right? This bearish movement could still come into play. Let's go to a 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour, we had the bearish divergence. We broke down. Right. 77 slightly higher, so we didn't have it against the RSI. That's fine. Then we broke down. Then we took a bounce at 24.69. That's fine. Did we not call this yesterday? Maybe we didn't. I'm not sure. Might have skipped over this yesterday, but it looks like we have some. A lot of crypto had this, right? So I'm not sure if I called it. Right? Ethereum should have this drawn. Yeah. So I just probably didn't draw this for XRP, but hidden bullish. Again, all the coins had it, right? Even some of the smaller coins had that hidden bullish. When a rally, getting above the 20, losing it right now. Not the best thing. High, low, positive is positive, high on our side to lower point, right? Nothing happening here. Neutral at 52.51. Again, failing to get that rally to this high. That could be bearish. Maybe we could break down to 24.69. We'll see what happens when we get there. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. 1-hour Bitcoin. Look, we went higher, bearish divergence, moved down. Created that hidden bullish. Took that rally. Very nice rally. Is there something going on here? Yeah. Hidden bearish, right? Look at that. Boom. From here to here. From here to here, right? We don't have it against RSI, so hidden bearish, potential action to the downside, move down, hit that 20, try to hold on to it, but we're just losing it right now. That bounce was too weak. We didn't even get to this previous high, so interpret that as bearish continuation, and we just moved down. High, low, positive is positive, high on the other side to lower point. Neutral at 45.16. That's about it here. I'm going to go check out ADA, and that's going to be it, guys. There's no other request, and again, I'm not feeling 100% right now, so sorry about that. I really wish. That's why I'm moving episode 400 to tomorrow, right? episode 400 should be a celebratory occasion, right? We'll be doing so many nice things for episode 400, but I'm just not feeling right now up to it. So that's why this became 399.5. Let's go to ADA. What's happening with Cardano on the daily? Again, right, recovering, also not recovering as well as the drop. It had a 7.31% drop. It recovered 5.15%. It did recover better than XRP. It did get pullback as well. Right now moving down, again rejecting the 382 at 11 cents, 11.3 cents. Sitting at 10.54 cents right now. High to low, positive was positive, high on the other side to lower point, right? Everything's good here, nothing bearish. Last thing we had is a bullish divergence. That's what popped us up. That's great. Again, just following the rest of crypto, right? A lot of crypto system moving in sync, right? We had the nice rally, then the red pullback, then the nice recovery, and then, you know, starting to like do consolidation. 4 hour, right? Look, same hidden bullish divergence that XRP and the rest of the coins had. Getting that nice pop, getting above the 20, but failing to go higher again. Moving down at the 20 right now, or slightly below 20. High to low, positive, high on the other side to lower point. Neutral at 55.10, so not a lot happening with Litecoin. Sorry, with the Cardano. And we're just going to have to wait. A short time scale might have some hidden divergence like the rest of the coins did. But again, it just shows that the market is moving in sync, right? That's what we care about right now. On that note, neutral at 55.09. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour, right, we had the hidden bullish. Took that nice rally. Look at this, man. Look at this, man. So I'll take this high to low, right? I'll go from this previous low, because here I was anchoring to 0. That's fine, though. But I'll go from here to here. From this previous high, so it's all the same. High to low, positive, more positive. High on the other side, lower point. Again, hidden bearish against the MACD, hitting that moving down, hitting the 20, trying to find support and taking a bounce. Recovering to the old 100% that we had. This 100% is from way back here, right? We should be really just shifting it already and calling it something else. And we could, in fact, just bring it all the way to this high. I just don't like it because then, you know, we already did a valid retrace and we should be looking for a new fib node. So I'm leaving this 100% because we have failed to go much higher and recover to the 1618. So I'm leaving it as it is for now. We could try different fibs here. I'll show you a different fib real quick. See what we're doing. Let's go from this low here to the high that we have right now. And again, as you can tell, we hit that high. We retrace to 50%, took a bounce. And all closes were very close to that 50% line, right? And then took a bounce and recovered to that 236. Again, it looks like we're just ranged between that 236 at 10.79 and 10.41 right now, which will be the 382. I'm gonna get rid of this. Again, it was just to highlight something. You guys can do this as well. But I just wanted to show you that. And again, the potential movement to the downside. We're moving down again. That rally felt to go higher than the previous high. It happened with all the crypto. And we're moving down. Now we're starting to make that negative momentum, low to high, negative less negative, low on the other side to higher point, right? Negative momentum can go on building. All coins seem to have this, right? That's ADA though. XRP had it also. All right, look, had negative momentum starting to build. Ethereum, same stuff, right? Starting to build. It's just very nano here. It's actually 0.07 positive, but it's gonna start to build negative momentum. And then Bitcoin still has positive, but some of them also have this. And it's gonna be it for tonight, guys. Again, I'm feeling, well, I just feel like my head's gonna burst, but thank you all for being here again. This is Untitled Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome Sunday night. I hope you had a great time. If you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, that sub. I hope you found this entertaining and educational. That'll be all for tonight, guys. Again, super quick stream. Yeah, just wanted to come in real quick, talk shop, you know, crypto. That's about it. And we'll be here tomorrow though for another edition of Untitled Crypto. Until then.